Okay. Hi, team. Thanks for joining this call. Our agenda today is planning for road trip. So, everyone is ready?
Yes.
Question, where do we want to go?
We agreed on Tagaytay, right?
Wait, Jai, I thought it was Batangas.
Sorry. Yes, Batangas. I misspoke. Thanks for correcting me, Rick.
Batangas sounds great. How many days will it be?
Maybe 3 days?
Sorry, can you repeat that, Sel? I didn't hear it.
Said maybe 3 days.
Got it, thanks.
Okay, 3 days now. Who will bring what?
I can bring snacks.
I'll handle drinks.
I'll be in charge of the music playlist.
And we split the gas cost equally.
What's the exact date again?
Let's finalize it. How about October or 7? What do you think, guys?
For me.
Works for me.
Just to clarify, we all meet at my house at 6 a.m. on October 5.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes. Thank you everyone for your inputs.
Okay, great. So to summarize, we're going to Batangas on October 5 or 7. Meeting at Frances' house at 6 a.m. Nina brings snacks, Jai drinks, Enric the playlist, and we split gas costs.
I think we've covered everything.
All soon, I'm off to work now. Bye.